Gardening tip of the day for you today. It's all about potatoes. This is going to be my new potato garden. We have a lot of gardens and I'm transplanting my potato garden to be bigger this year because I want a lot more potatoes. So this is how you grow potatoes. It's super easy. You take store-bought organic potatoes, okay? These are white potatoes, so they're not yellow. You could do yellow, red, russet. Sweet potatoes grow the same way. I cleaned out this garden bed, weeded it, had a ton of weeds. And it also in the corner has some asparagus growing right there. And just take these little tiny baby potatoes that you get from the store, organic ones, and literally put them in the ground. So I have my glove here because it just rained and I don't want to get my hands totally black right now. Usually I do gardening without gloves. So just take these potatoes, dig a little hole. It doesn't have to be that deep. Dig, dig, dig. Put the potato in there, okay? Cover it up with soil. Now, spread them out. See how I have them kind of spread out all over? Like these guys don't need to be that close together. Spread them all out in the garden. Cover them up. Next thing they're gonna do is they're gonna grow a giant, probably 2 feet, 2.5 feet shoot. It's gonna be like a green shoot. Leaves are gonna come off of it, okay? And then at the very top of that shoot, there's gonna be white flowers. Those flowers are going to drop that pollen into this soil and it's going to create baby potatoes. Once those green shoots die and turn brown and dry out, come out here and you're gonna have a new potato crop. One potato usually leaves about, depends how many eyes they get, but maybe about 5 potatoes. So for every potato you plant in here, you're gonna get 5 back. And this cycle can go on and on and on. So don't harvest all of your potatoes all at once. Leave some in here so those new potatoes then grow their eyes, grow the new shoots up, flowers drop, and the whole cycle starts again. So don't clean out your box of all of the potatoes. Leave some in here for the new crop. This is a process that happens all year round. Unless you have like a deep, deep freeze and you can't like dig into the ground, they'll be okay until the spring comes. But if you live somewhere where you don't have a deep, deep freeze, it's even better. So I grow potatoes all year long, 365 days a year. I don't really get that many in January though, because the ground's pretty frozen here in Georgia. But for the most part, you can grow potatoes all the time for yourself organically at home. You don't need to go to the store, just pick some out of the garden. That is your gardening tip of the day.